Hello, I have a new machine today. It's another one from Bishop, my second one, and this time this is a shader because I have Bishop Packer, but I thought I'll try to order a shader as well so I can have something to do some more soft shades, because with the Packer you can also do shading, but sometimes when you have a portrait and you need something really soft and smooth, this could be a bit too strong. But for lining and color packing, it's brilliant. It's amazing. It's the best things I ever buy. You know, one of the best. I mean, probably one of the best, or might be even the best machine in the market, my opinion. So I thought, because I love this one so much, let me see how the shader would do the job. So I just received it today. Let's have a look. It's the same box as we had with the Packer. It's number 1030. And I got some instructions. This is what it is. So Bishop they have three machines of this range. They have shader, packer, and liner. So I have packer and shader now. I don't go for liner yet because I don't do that much of lining. So and packer strong enough for me to do lines as much as I do them. So today we have shader. So this one is, where is it? It's 3.5 millimeter stroke. Yeah, 3.5 millimeter stroke. Recommended voltage between 8.5 and 10 volts. Maybe. And then you have Packer, recommend a voltage 6 to 8 volts. So it's running a bit on high voltage. Okay. A case, a lovely case. I love this case. It's good for traveling, good for conventions. And now the usual stuff: a charger station, large battery, go into charging station like that. Very good. This is RCA cable, just in case you want to use it without a battery. Some grease, you need to use the grease once for a while. RCA adapter, but I definitely prefer using it with battery. And that's the machine itself with a small battery. Comes out like that. Very small. Look at the size of it, and very light as well. Put on. Yep. Let's run it. Yeah, it has a bit of jump start. Quiet. I show you. That's the Packer. Only the color is different, and also the stroke length. So the Packer, let me have a look. The Packer is 4.2 millimeter stroke, and this one is 3.5. 4.2, 3.5. And I'm gonna go and try it today, and I'll let you know how it feels, how it runs, and I'll come back to you after I try it. See you soon. Right, I just tried it. I've just done tattoo with this one, also using my other one as well sometimes, but I've done some shading with this one today, and I can say very, very nice. Very nice. It's a bit more softer than the Packer, but still have enough power to do those shades, you know, and pack them strong enough so they're not gonna fade so much after healing. Yeah, lovely. Yeah, you run a bit of higher voltage this one than the Packer, so, and then very comfortable, very light. Really enjoy using this one. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one for a very long time, I guess. I mean, the only thing in the future, probably the batteries. I hope they're gonna last long. So far I have a Packer for half a year now, and it's so far the battery is still very, very strong. So the small battery lasts for probably, let me remember, I think 6 hours or something like that. Yeah, and then the big battery can last you like 10 hours, which is great. So for me personally, the small one is more than enough. I'm not even draining it completely down, always having like another 25 or 10% left. So yeah, perfect. So those two machines will do the job perfectly. The Packer for sometimes when you need a bit stronger, more bold lines, bold color, something really solid. And the shader then when you need something really something very smooth, but also, you know, it still have enough power to do the job if needed. You know, it's 3.5 millimeter. It's still quite strong. This one is 4.2. You can buy a liner which is like 5 millimeter, I think. That's crazy. 5 millimeter. Yeah, 5 millimeters. Insane. Yeah, those two more than enough. You can do almost everything with these ones. I'm also gonna make a video about how do I wrap them, how to wrap them up, so it's safe to use them. You know, it's no chance for the blood to go inside there or there or there. So check my channel. I'll upload another video about how to wrap your Bishop machine. Yeah, and press like if you like it, subscribe. I'll make more videos later about the machines. Any questions, just please ask in the comments there, and yeah, see you later.